popular books are trash. Just kidding, guys. All popular books are good. Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. Just joking. Welcome to my channel. Wait what KKR. In today's video, I will be telling you whether all these popular books that we have seen all over the internet are worth the hype or not. So I read that for you, so you don't have to read. So let's get straight into the video. Next is Brave New World. This book sucks. Guys, I'm not joking. I mean, this book, I thought it was about actual utopian society. I was hoping, because I don't like to read the summary because it's a form of spoiler. I mean, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि it's sort of spoiler. I just get the context. Oh, this is the book about. But Brave New World, it follows the story of I don't even remember what it followed. But this book was such a disappointment. I was hoping to see an actual utopian society, to see why we cannot have a all perfect world, but it didn't live up to my expectation. What I was actually this world was not a utopian world. It was just as labeled as utopian world, and there was so much hierarchy going on in this world. So how is it a utopian world? And the reading was quite boring, and I didn't like this book at all. मुझे इतना मुश्किल कभी नहीं लगा. सिर्फ how many pages it has? Like 169 pages की ये बुक है, और इतनी सी बुक को पढ़ने में मुझे 10 दिन लगे. बट this book I didn't like at all, just for the sake of I am very deep person. I get this book. No, I didn't like. I can't appreciate. I do like the concept, but the writing could have been better. Guys, next book is The Brothers Karamazov. Now, first of all, let me make it clear. Dostoevsky was such a great writer. He is often said as one of the finest men to ever walk on this planet, like as a philosopher. But we never appreciate enough of how good of a writer he is. Oh my god, even every single book I have read of him, so good. His storytelling is so amazing, and we don't appreciate it enough. First of all, The Brothers Karamazov, I'm on a midway. I'm on middle of this book. Let me tell you something. This book, I thought something is wrong with me, because this book, it's in the starting it was boring, but now it is so interesting. I was like, hello, was it supposed to be interesting, or am I twitching? Wow, this is such a good book. The story is so dramatic. I love them all. They're so dramatic. It's about pride, fate, so many things. But I don't think that about what pride does to us. I don't know how to pronounce anyone's name in this book. So when she and that lady, जिसके पीछे वो दोनों बाप बेटे पागल हैं, जब उनकी और उसकी लड़ाई होती है, उसको वहाँ पे बुलाती है. She thought कि I will be more noble to her and she will change herself. Why that lady is so obsessed with changing people? Dmitri, I don't know what his name is, but even modern days, maybe these things reflect so much in our modern life. This book, whenever I read it, I go on the roof and think about it, and then come back. I didn't thought I will be reading it in such a fast pace, but this book is so interesting. The story is so good. People say that it's boring. I was thinking that it might be boring, but I was like, it's Dostoevsky's his own favorite work, so I'm gonna read it. But oh my god, guys, all I have to say is this is such a interesting book. The story it can be off for some people, but it is, if you like the stories that have so much dramas. This is my few books I have read that have much drama, but this is one of them, and it is good. I'm living for it. This chunky book is worth it, guys. So guys, next book is Jane Eyre. It was 7 out of 10. And the thing about this book is that I thought it was a self-discovery book. Although Jane is a very strong woman, she did respect herself, but at the end, she got back with him. Oh my god, that was so. I was hoping not, because I personally thought that this was a self-discovery book. But the thing is, she was already a strong woman from the चाइल्डहुड, फ्रॉम हर चाइल्डहुड, शुरू में अगर आपने बुक पढ़ी तो यू विल नो कि ये स्ट्रॉन्ग ही थी, एंड शी वॉज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग माइंडेड पर्सन. शी कैरिड हर सेल्फ इंस्टेड ऑफ बिकमिंग अ बिटर पर्सन, एंड शी वॉज स्ट्रॉन्ग from the get-go. But you know who was not and who changed? Let's move on to our next book. Guys, next is 11/22/63 by Stephen King. Although it is a historical book about like historical fiction about time travel, this book follows a story of a man who tries to stop the assassination of the president. But it is indeed an amazing book. The thing about this book, starting में नहीं है love story, midway में, but oh my god, it is so good. It is so good. I mean, if we talk about self-discovery, he was a kind of a, a type of a man that was very रोता वोता नहीं था, बहुत ज़्यादा थोड़ा सा, you can say that he was a bit emotionless, but with time he changed so much. And at that like I was never a crying man, and the dancing is life. I mean, like, this is a true self-discovery disguised as historical fiction or a time travel book. So Stephen King, oh my god, shout out to this man. This was such a great book, and I was so attached to the character. I think it's my first indirect romance book, as I have, okay, Jane Eyre was too, but this was so much fun. I got so attached to them, although I was with Jane too, but this is my second favorite book of all time. Is No Longer Human. About this book, maybe I didn't like it because I read it right after Crime and Punishment on the same day. It didn't felt very much in depth. I mean, I tried to like this book, but there was something that this book was I mean, like, I think it is because I read it just after Crime and Punishment, that's why मुझे कुछ इतना स्पेशल लगा नहीं इस बुक में, because जो Crime and Punishment है, that is such an intense book with so much detail. We are literally in his mind. So like after reading that, just after like एक घंटा भी नहीं था, I went to this book. That was, I think, my mistake, but I don't know, I'm this book नहीं जमी, बस नहीं पसंद. Should read it. After reading this book, I felt like this was my first fiction. I'm never going to pick non-fiction book again. This was my first non-fiction. I was like, I gave all up my hope कि non-fiction is not for me. It was, man, मतलब I literally I had such a bad time reading it. It was so boring. I mean, like, what's this? It's so repetitive, and yeah, एक बात घसीटे जा रहे हैं. This strategy, that strategy. I know it's very strategical, but why personally I dislike, not because I'm judging other people, but मुझे personally नहीं पसंद non-fiction books, because there's something in it. They're telling so many things at the same time, whereas a fictional book will एक ही टॉपिक को अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करेगी थ्रू आउट द नॉवल, चाहे वो कितनी भी बड़ी नॉवल हो. दैट्स व्हाई आई डोंट लाइक these book. Although I have read another one, that is Things You Can See Only When You Slow Down. Oh, that's an amazing book. I love that book. I read it like 2 times, but this one not for this beautiful The Bell Jar. Now look at the cover, so beautiful, so beautiful. Wow. So about this follows the story of a young woman, Esther, and how in the time period she suffers a lot from the depression. Now from this book I get to know that depression is not just crying like we see in the media. It's so much more than that. And this book I thought that I'm not gonna like this book. I will tell you something very interesting. First I saw it on Amazon. I really like the title. First of all, I picked the books by their titles. I was like, okay, but then I was, after some time, someone recommended me, then I was like, yeah, okay, let's see this book. But when this book was on my bookshelf, I didn't know that I will like it this much. And I mean, just like, I felt so connected, and I was crying. Not like crying, I just had tears in my eyes. And the last words, I mean, like, I was like, oh, no, I love this book so much, guys. This is my favorite book. Love this book. Don't forget to subscribe my channel because I love this book so much, so much. It's so dear to me. I noticed that these two books have so much in common. They follow the same theme, but the way they are written are so different. And this word, beautiful, haunting page, it's so true. Alright, guys, that was it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Bye bye.
Please like and subscribe.